Have you ever wondered who orchestrates the sartorial symphony that is tailored brands? Who's the mastermind behind the marketing magic for iconic names like Men's Warehouse, Joss A. Bank, Moores, and K&G Fashion Superstore? In the dynamic world of retail, especially in fashion, marketing isn't just about ads. It's about shaping perceptions, understanding trends, and connecting with customers on a deeply personal level. It's about ensuring that when you think of a suit for a wedding, a sharp outfit for a job interview, or even comfortable yet stylish everyday wear, tailored brands comes to mind. But who is the individual leading this charge, navigating the ever-evolving landscape of consumer preferences and digital engagement? Who's responsible for making sure these beloved brands continue to resonate with a diverse clientele, from grooms-to-be to professionals seeking to elevate their everyday style? Today, we're diving deep into the leadership of tailored brands to uncover the person at the helm of their marketing efforts. This isn't just about a title. It's about understanding the role, the responsibilities, and the vision that guides the marketing strategy for one of the largest specialty retailers of menswear in North America. For a significant period, the Chief Marketing Officer of Tailored Brands has been Carolyn Pollock. Now, let's unpack what that means. Carolyn Pollock isn't just a name. She's a strategic force. As CMO, she holds a pivotal position, overseeing all aspects of the company's marketing strategy. This includes everything from brand positioning and digital transformation to integrated marketing campaigns across their entire portfolio of brands. Think about the sheer scope of that. Tailored Brands encompasses several distinct identities, each with its own legacy, target audience, and market position. Men's Warehouse, known for its extensive range of suits and formal wear, often caters to significant life events like weddings and proms. Joss A. Bank, on the other hand, emphasizes timeless professional attire and custom suiting. Moores in Canada and K&G Fashion Superstore also have their unique market niches. Managing the brand narratives and marketing approaches for each of these, while maintaining a cohesive overall company vision, requires a deep understanding of consumer psychology, market trends, and effective communication channels. Carolyn Pollock's role involves far more than simply approving ad campaigns. It's about driving growth, building lasting brand relationships, and fostering customer loyalty in an increasingly competitive retail environment. Her responsibilities touch upon a multitude of critical areas. Firstly, brand strategy and positioning. This is about defining what each brand stands for in the minds of consumers. What emotions should Men's Warehouse evoke? What message should Joss A. Bank convey about quality and craftsmanship? Carolyn and her team are responsible for crafting these brand identities and ensuring they are consistently communicated across all touchpoints. Secondly, digital transformation and e-commerce optimization. In today's retail world, a strong online presence is non-negotiable. The CMO plays a crucial role in evolving the company's digital marketing initiatives, optimizing e-commerce platforms, and leveraging data to create seamless online experiences. This involves everything from website design and user experience to search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email campaigns. It's about meeting the customer where they are, whether that's in a physical store or scrolling through Instagram. Thirdly, integrated marketing campaign development. This is where creativity meets strategy. Carolyn Pollock oversees the development and execution of comprehensive marketing campaigns that span various channels: traditional advertising like TV and print, digital advertising, social media, content marketing, and in-store promotions. The goal is to create a unified and impactful message that resonates with the target audience and drives engagement and sales. Fourthly, customer experience and retention. Beyond attracting new customers, a successful marketing strategy focuses on retaining existing ones. The CMO's team analyzes customer data to understand preferences, personalize communications, and develop loyalty programs. It's about building a relationship with the customer that extends beyond a single transaction, encouraging repeat purchases and brand advocacy. Fifthly, data-driven marketing and analytics. In the age of big data, marketing decisions are increasingly informed by insights derived from extensive data analysis. Carolyn Pollock and her team leverage analytics to track campaign performance, understand customer behavior, identify market opportunities, and continuously refine their strategies for maximum effectiveness. This means understanding everything from conversion rates on digital ads to the demographic breakdown of in-store purchases. Carolyn Pollack's journey to this position is also quite insightful. She often took a non-traditional route, having previously served as a managing partner at a marketing consulting firm. This background gave her a unique perspective, allowing her to approach marketing with a client service mentality, always prioritizing the customer. Her experience advising a wide range of companies, including tech giants like Facebook and eBay, speaks to her adaptability and understanding of diverse consumer landscapes. This consulting background likely honed her ability to quickly diagnose marketing challenges and develop innovative solutions, a crucial skill in the fast-paced retail sector. Her leadership has focused on modernizing the marketing approach for tailored brands, embracing newer channels like TikTok and Pinterest, and shifting away from older, less effective methods. She's been instrumental in leading the company's digital transformation, particularly accelerated during recent global events, ensuring Tailored Brands remains agile and responsive to changing consumer behaviors. The CMO's vision for Tailored Brands extends beyond just selling clothes. It's about understanding the significant moments in people's lives: weddings, graduations, important presentations, and positioning Tailored Brands as the go-to for looking and feeling great in those moments. As she has often articulated, the belief is that if you love the way you look, then you feel really great. This ethos drives the creative and strategic direction of their campaigns, aiming to inspire confidence and help customers achieve their best selves. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.